Vinaka everyone and warm Pacific greetings to you all. I will be presenting my Bhutai project. My topic is Lord Ganesha as a personal and Pacific symbol of faith, unity and continuity. For my creative production, I created a handcrafted sculpture of Lord Ganesha using modeling clay. I chose this topic because Lord Ganesha is very important in the Hindu religion and also meaningful to many Hindu families living in Fiji and the Pacific. Lord Ganesha represents wisdom, protection, new beginnings, and the removal of obstacles. Through this project, I wanted to show how religion, culture, and art help people to stay connected to their identity and traditions. Before making the sculpture, I first researched the symbolism of Lord Ganesha and how Hindu culture continues to exist within Fiji and the Pacific community. I also looked at how art can preserve culture and strengthen community connections. After my research, I gathered the materials I needed, such as modeling clay. I then started molding the body of Lord Ganesha carefully by hand. I focused on important symbolic features like elephant head, the seated posture, and the broken tusk. Each feature has a special meaning in Hindu belief. While creating the sculpture, I faced some challenges because shaping the clay evenly required patience and care. However, I continued improving the design step by step until I was satisfied with the final result. Through this project, I learned more about my culture, religion, and identity. I also developed skills such as creativity, patience, and artistic expression. While completing this project, I also learned new ideas on how to take good photographs and videos of sculptures to make the artwork look more meaningful and attractive in the presentation.